guys, welcome to Adobe Photoshop 2025. In this video, you will learn how to design logo from sketch in Photoshop. So let's start. So there I have four different samples. So the first one is, this is the black and white sketch. First you must go to image mode, take a look. You must select RGB color for this project, and next select pen tool and hold alt key on keyboard, zoom in and start from the plan design. We call this type of design curve, and we call this type of design a corner or plane design. So in one click here, before starting or click, take a look here, select the shape and select your logo color. I need to select blue color, click OK and close. So one click, next, third, first and close. So start the second design, one click, third and close. So if you need to control the point, select direct selection and select this point by using arrow key like this. Select this part and use the arrow key, select this point, use arrow key. So select shape 1 from the layer and select control like this. Okay, and now select again the pen tool and click again here, one click, second, and there you can make curve line like this, and click here again to make curve line like this, and there click again, make curve line, and one again, click here, and now make curve here and make one again curve here, one point right there and close. So don't forget, select the direct selection and control the points, control slowly like this. Select this point and control slowly like this. Select the point and control, select this point and control. Okay, let's turn off the sketch and zoom out. Not bad. So go back to image and go to image size, make high resolution right here 500 and take a look at the pixel. It means 2K. So if we write 1000, the logo will be 4K. Click OK, and now you have 4K design. You can see better the curve style. Select again the shape 3, select shape 3 and click again right there and control this point. Good. So create a background. Click here, make a solid color and make a white color, move it down there. Now you can see the background with the vector design. Don't forget guys, you can save by going to file and go to export, add to Illustrator. It means you can save into Illustrator file. Okay guys, let's go to another example. Let's go to second example, and this example is single shape design. Hold alt key, zoom in, and first go to image, take a look, just select the RGB color and select the pen tool, then one click here, one click right there and make curve here, make curve and make curve right there. So one click again, close. So how to control this point? Select the direct selection, control the point, make a little bit move up and select this point, control this handle and select again. Not bad. So select again, take a look how to make design is this part, the tile. Select this point, make curve and select the pen tool, take a look, zoom out. So start from here, one click again, select the direct selection and zoom in, Ctrl Z, select direct selection. Not bad. Okay guys, select this shape and make move, let's see, and zoom out, go back to image and go to image size, make 500 pixel, enter, zoom out again, create a background, go to slide setting, make a white color, okay, move it down, turn off the sketch. So there is a little bit problem. Select the shape 1, click here again and make smooth curve like this. So and now select the move tool, select the all of them, zoom in and zoom out. Okay guys, this was another design in single shape with curve style. Let's go to third sample, BMW. So how to design the BMW logo? Hold alt key, zoom in. So start from the ellipse, click center, hold alt shift, make curve and move it down. So select again the pen tool and turn off the fill, turn on the stroke. So next, hold Alt key, apply, select the pen tool, make curve, good. So and now hold Alt key, zoom in, select this rectangle, create right there, and turn off the stroke. So make white color, hold Alt key, select this part. So how to make a curve? By going to properties, turn off the length and make 50. So hold Alt key, make a copy right there, hold Shift, rotate like this, sit right there. Alt Shift, select both design, set here, and make one more copy, Ctrl plus J, and hold Shift, make once again rotate and move by arrow key. Let's see, make apply and go back here and select blue color. So hold Alt key to zoom in again. Let's control this part, select both points, move it, and select these 2 points, move it up there. And now select these 2 points, move it down, select again another design, delete this one and select this design. So how to control it? Hold Alt key, make one more copy, hold Shift, rotate, make here, click on apply. So guys, and now you can see the complete logo design of BMW. And don't forget, click here, one click, right B, Ctrl A, change the color to white, make apply and move here. Hold Shift, rotate like this, click apply and double click, make 20 pixel the B size. Hold Alt key, make one copy here. Hold Shift, double click, right N and hold Alt key, make one copy right there and double click again. Hold Shift, right W and hold Shift, rotate and set here. Click apply. Okay, I need to create a stroke. Before creating the stroke, go to image size and right here 500 pixels per inch. Hold Alt key, zoom out and create a background. Click here, make solid, change solid to dark color and move it down, set here. So how to make or create a stroke? Select again this ellipse, Ctrl plus J, select the pen tool, make white color and change the size. Hold Alt key, make one copy right there, select the pen tool, change to 1.5 and Ctrl plus J, hold Alt key, make one copy, right click up. Okay guys, this was about the BMW logo design from sketch to final in Adobe PS 25. Let's go to the last part, the Mac or Apple design. So how to design this sketch? First, go to image, take a look, the mode must be RGB. Select the RGB and select the pen tool, hold Alt, zoom in, start from here, one click and make curve right there and then make one curve right there and click here. Press escape key before pressing the escape key. Select example color, then hold Alt key to make a copy and press Ctrl plus T, right click, flip horizontal, hold Shift. Let's see, press A for the direct selection, zoom in, press A, there is the first and select another part and zoom out, zoom in again, zoom out, select both design and go back to layer and select both, go to layer, combine, unit, and now you have just single one shape. Change the opacity into 40% and select the ellipse, hold Alt key, hold Alt plus Shift, create example circle and move it here. Next, hold Shift, select both, go to layer, combine, subtract. So and now you can see the final result. Select again the pen tool, zoom in, one click and make curve like this, one click again right there and make curve like this and one click right there. Zoom out again and go back to image, go to image size. Right here 500 pixel per inch to make HD logo and make solid color background. Okay, move it down here and select this apple, make another different design like a red, select another part of the logo, make red color in final color, turn off the logo and now you can see the final result of the Mac logo. Okay guys, if you need to save in PNG, you must go to file and save a copy and next select the PNG to save your logo. Thanks for watching. This was about different logo design in Adobe PS25. Have a good time, good luck, all of